Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start worksheet 2, which is based on the properties of the rational numbers. So first we are going to discuss about the properties of the rational numbers. Okay, so first property of rational numbers is that if P upon Q is a rational number, P upon Q is a rational number, and R and S are also a rational number, is also a rational number, R upon S is also a rational number, then they are said to be equivalent if their cross multiplication is also equal. They are equivalent if their cross multiplication, that means P into S should be equal to R into Q. Okay, let us take an example to understand this. 4 upon minus 7 and 8 upon minus 14. Are these numbers equivalent? So how can we use property 1 to solve this? Let us just cross multiply. So 4 multiplied with minus 14, this 14 will cross multiply, and 8 multiply by minus 7. Now 14 fours are 56, but along with minus sign. 8 sevens are 56, but along with minus sign. So is the cross multiplication of these two rational number is equal? Yes. So these numbers are equivalent. These rational numbers are equivalent. Clear? This is the property number 1. So based on this property, we have question number 1, worksheet 2. Question number 1. What is the first property? That if two rational numbers are given to you, then by cross multiplication you have to find out are these numbers equivalent to each other or not. So let us take first question. 4 upon 9 and 44 upon 99. You have to check either these two rational numbers are equivalent or not. Okay, so what we will do, we will cross multiply. So it will be 4 upon 9, 44 upon 99. Just cross multiply. So it is 4 into 99, and right hand side, or simply this number will be 44 multiplied by 9. So multiply these, 36, 396, and over here it is again 396. Okay, so see, the product is equal. So end we will write at the end as 4 upon 9 and 44 upon 99 are equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Fine. Let us see second part and third part. Try it yourself. And 35 upon minus 15. Okay, now again cross multiply. So it will be 7 upon minus 3 and 35 upon minus 15. Cross multiply. So what we are going to get? 7 into minus 15 and 35 into minus 3. Okay, 15 sevens are 105, but with minus sign, one term is negative, and over here again minus 105. So after cross multiplication we are getting the product of these numbers again equal. So yes, we are going to write yes, 7 upon minus 3 and 35 upon minus 15 are equivalent rational numbers. Fine. So this was property number 1. Now let us discuss property number 2. So what is property number 2? Second property, what does it say? It says that if P upon Q is a rational number, okay, P upon Q is a rational number and M is any integer different from 0, then that means if we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by M. What does it mean? Second property says that P upon Q is a rational number, and if in this rational number we are multiplying it with any number, with same number, numerator with M and denominator also M, then this number will also be equivalent to P upon Q. Okay, so this will be equal to P upon Q. So through an example, let us understand this also. For example, your question will be like, write equivalent rational number of, this rational number will be known as equivalent rational number of P upon Q. Okay, so your question will be like, write equivalent rational number of 3 upon 5. So we will write 3 upon 5, its equivalent rational number. What did I say in the property? We have to multiply and divide by the same number. So multiply and divide by the same number. I have taken this M can be any number, any integer. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So this is the equivalent rational number of 3 upon 5. Let us suppose or find out another equivalent rational number, 3 upon 5. Multiply and divide by the same number. Over here I have taken 2. Here I have taken 3 now. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. So this is the second equivalent rational number. Okay. Now third property. Third property is also similar to this one. In this property, again P upon Q is a rational number, then its equivalent rational number can be, we are multiplying in the first property and in second we are dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, so in this question or in this property, what we are going to do, we are dividing. Okay, so for example, let us understand this also by an example. 21 upon 49. Write the equivalent rational number of this. So minus 21 upon 49 divided by 3 or by 7, divided by 7. So it is minus 3 upon 7. Fine. So these are the two properties, and on the basis of these two properties we are going to solve now question number 2. Sorry, it's your question number 3. Write 3 equivalent rational numbers of the following. Question number 3. Write 3 equivalent rational numbers. Write 3 equivalent rational numbers. So first part is 4 upon 7. Fine. So 4 upon 7, first we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. I said this number can be anything. So 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. First answer. Now second equivalent rational number of 4 upon 7. Now multiply and divide by same number 3, and it is 3. So it is equal to 4 3s are 12, 7 3s are 21. This is the second equivalent rational number, and 4 upon 7, 4 into 4, 7 into 4, so it is equal to 16 upon 28. This is your third equivalent rational number. Okay, so you have to write at the end 8 upon 4.